Trailer wiring nightmares? Not anymore. This 7-way plug-in junction box is built like a tank. Ever spend hours cursing at a tangled mess of wires, trying to figure out why your trailer lights won't work? Meet the Nilight 7-way heavy-duty trailer plug-in junction box, your new best friend in hassle-free towing. This 8-foot flexible cable keeps your connections organized, color-coded, and secure, unlike those cheap, spaghetti wiring setups that leave you guessing. Plus, the weatherproof, corrosion-resistant junction box protects your wiring from rain, dust, and road grime. If you're serious about safe, reliable towing, this rugged, built-to-last solution is exactly what you need. This isn't some flimsy, low-budget plug that falls apart after a few trips. The Nilight 7-pin trailer connector is crafted with premium copper blades for maximum conductivity and a rock-solid molded plug that fits snugly into any standard 7-way trailer socket. The durable PVC housing ensures it can handle tight turns, rough terrain, and extreme weather, because let's face it, you don't always tow in perfect conditions. Whether you're hauling an RV, camper, food truck, or heavy-duty trailer, this battle-tested beast keeps your trailer's brake lights, turn signals, and auxiliary power working flawlessly. Let's talk protection, because road grime, rain, and corrosion are your trailer's worst enemies. The Nilight junction box features 4 open and 4 closed sealed gaskets, keeping every connection completely waterproof and dustproof. Unlike other cheap trailer plugs that crack, rust, or short out, this one is designed for long-term reliability. You'll never have to worry about your lights flickering mid-drive or a bad connection leaving you stranded. Less maintenance, more peace of mind, just plug in and tow with confidence. Wiring a trailer shouldn't feel like solving a complex puzzle, and with Nilight's color-marked 7 poles, it won't. Unlike competitors that leave you scratching your head, this plug gives you an easy-to-follow wiring system for your left, right turn lights, brake signals, reverse lights, tail lights, and more. Say goodbye to confusing, mismatched wires and hello to quick, effortless installation. No need to be an electrician, the system makes wiring a breeze. Imagine rolling down the highway, trailer in tow, only to realize your brake lights are dead. Dangerous, right? Skip the stress and upgrade to a plug that actually works. The Nilight 7-way trailer plug-in junction box is a high-quality, affordable investment that saves you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Built tough, tested for real-world towing, and engineered for durability, this is the no-fail trailer wiring solution you've been looking for. Click Add to Cart now and tow with confidence.